I think questions about the mind, the brain and the human person can and should be interdisciplinary. There are so many aspects of human life, of action, that we ought to take into account if we're trying to understand something about ourselves. And so I'm a great supporter of bringing different fields together, science, philosophy, theology, various kinds of science, neuroscience, psychology and so on. There are clearly dangers because these different fields have very different languages, histories, understandings of the world, and so it's quite easy for there to be misunderstandings as one moves from one field to another. But I think it's very important to be patient, to listen and learn from others. And I've invariably found that when people engage in dialogue across disciplines for an extended period, really trying to understand the other field, normally that there are new ideas that are stimulated as a result. I think one exercise which is very helpful to do interdisciplinary studies is to bring two experts together in different fields like science and theology, and you set them a little exercise. You ask them each to explain the other's position, another paper in the opposite field to the one they're used to, and the other one listens. And what I've often found is that it's very strange to hear one's own ideas repeated back to oneself by someone in a different field. And although some of the things seem strange, often there are new ideas stimulated as a result. So I think there are ways of making interdisciplinary work fun and interesting and also very fruitful.